Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. So in this video, we're going to be discussing about e-course versus creating a membership site versus coaching, group coaching or one-on-one coaching versus creating an ebook. Which one is going to be a better digital product for your brand? So first off, I want to say that with creating a e-course, let's just say you have an audience already and your audience is about finance, or it could be about farmers, how to grow certain crops, tomatoes or something like that on your website, and you want to leverage that audience and start to offer more premium content via going to be on a course form, or it could be an ebook form, or it could be a membership where people goes in and access those materials on a monthly or yearly basis. It's up to you. So what do you think is going to be a better strategy for your business? Now, personally, this is what I think is going to be the key component to helping the success for your course, is that with a course versus a membership. Now the course, when somebody pay for your course, you're going to get the money up front, versus a membership. Now with the membership, you can offer something that they pay annually and you get the money up front. And the course, you can also have people pay on a yearly basis as well to access into your course. And you know, there's a lot of different places that offer a course for the whole year, but it's after you expire, you can pay half the price to get access into that course. So I believe that's going to be just kind of like a hybrid of a course versus a membership. Now people will say, yes, pay this amount annually to get into all the premium content, and that's going to be a memberships site. And then people pay annually, and then they pay after that if they want still more access. Now there's also other courses, they offer lifetime access. Like you pay for this one time, let's just say $200, you have lifetime access into this course about Pinterest, or marketing your course to a group of people, or it could be about how to create printable to sell on Amazon or Etsy or Shopify store. So there's a lot of variety, and I want to say that of all these different options that you have to create your digital content, digital product, is the course, the membership, the coaching, whether it's one-on-one or group coaching versus an ebook. All these four different options, if I have to choose one, the one that's really stand out is going to be the course. Offering an e-course going to wins in terms of, with the membership, you have to maintain. Some people have to maintain it, posting it, answering people questions. And of course with a course, it's the same thing too. You can kind of offer more like live coaches on webinars, one-on-one coaching as an add-on to your course. But if you're starting out and you have an audience, I believe that it's best to offer a course, and then just offer a membership for more extra help. Let's just say you offer a course on teaching people how to create a website, and then you want to offer a membership where people can opt in to help you more on one-on-one on how to loading all these blog posts, or to create an e-commerce, and then just loading up all your products, etc. How do you go about teaching people in this form on a membership? It can be time consuming in my opinion, and it can take a lot of time and effort just to answering all these questions on there, and just comments, messaging, all the stuff back and forth. Is I say the course wins in terms of what you have to offer, and you can condense all that into a course. Module 1, module 2, module 3, this is what you do if you want to create X, Y, and Z. This is what you do if you want to have an e-commerce store. This is what you do if you want to have to create children books on Amazon, KDP, which is Kindle Publishing, versus ebooks. Now, some people argue that with ebook, it's less, of a place where you have to store the videos or the contents or the messaging back and forth versus a membership site. Now ebook, of course, it's gonna cost less for you to store or maintain your ebook because it's something that is inexpensive, and maybe you would say that it takes less time to make than in a course. But I say that just to put a little bit more of the information in an ebook form into a video form to create a course, people perceive that with more value, and you can sell more, for your digital product of the same material in a video form in a course than with an ebook. Now with ebooks, some people can charge between $20, $30, $40 at most, but with a course you can charge like 100, 200. The value that people perceive having a course is a lot more. And then with one-on-one coaching or group coaching, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot more effort and more attention. And with an influencer or a content creator, it might be not something you might want to be involved in, and you want to just condense everything into a course and sell it on your e-course, etc. So the next thing I want to talk about is what is the best platform. Just if somebody asks you like, which one should I choose? Which one offer all these membership site all in one platform that have affiliate programs that has all the stuff, like webinars, membership, courses, ebook, all one inclusive in one place. I would say that it's Vonza right now is a new platform that's coming out. They offer affiliate programs for your course. They offer membership site. They offering funnels, forms, and they offer to host your website and SSL certificate, all inclusive with very reasonable price. Besides Vonza might be a little bit more pricier than System.io. System.io also offer affiliate programs for your courses or digital products. They also offer emails, content, and then it's gonna help for you to grow an audience. For you to grow an audience on your brand. So the first thing that you want to do is to check it out, just to give it a try. There's on System.io, you get to create one free course and create your own one website and unlimited posts. You can also play around with 2,000 contacts. So you can have unlimited email to that 2,000 contacts that you have through your brand. It's 2,000 contacts. I know it seems like it's small, but it takes a lot of time for your first 2,000 subscriber email contacts to gain that. It depends on how many free products, free information that you offer, that you have people opt into your email. It could take time. So in that time that you can save through trying out the free plan to System.io, that you can maybe save some of that money and help you to shorten that learning curve that it takes for your business to grow. So you could save 6 months to a year of that time learning how to create the right course, how to create a right membership that meets the needs of your audience. So check it out, the System.io, checked out Vonza, checked out the Kajabi website, but I truly believe there's a lot of different options. And just because you're tuning into this channel, you're gonna hear me talking a lot about different platform, different software, different places out there that offer membership and course and products, and a lot of different great deal out there. I'm not sure you heard about Sellex, and also Selldone. Selldone takes a percentage of your sale out of, like, I believe it's 7% for the lowest tiers. But if that's the case, then you might as well go with Sellex or Vonza, where you pay monthly, but it doesn't take a percentage out of the transaction fees out of your deal. So checked out Sellex, checked out Vonza, and also if you only want to focus on membership only, there's also check out Brilliant Directory, where they have a membership site that you can create, and then you can also make money from the pay content, propose, or there's drift content, a lot of different things. So yeah, Brilliant Directory is a good place to start. Now, what I don't really really into the Brilliant Directory is that they charge you for the features that adds on to your membership. For example, you want to add on this feature, is $10 more per month, etc., etc. Now, if you don't use a lot of features and you just want to have a basic content loaded on there, and then just have members on there looking at stuff, but I would rather want to go with a lifetime deal somewhere that you don't have to pay monthly ads for these add-on features. And that's just my opinion as of right now. That's where it stands. But yeah, checked out these great platform out there that you can start to grow an audience and start to grow your email list. Okay, so I hope this video helps. And I know there's also Gumroad and Payhip. They also take a percentage of your sales from your digital products. But if you don't have to pay monthly and it's just a trying out for you to try out your products, some people don't mind paying that 7 or 9% out of your pay if you're not selling a lot and you're just learning how it works to drive traffic to your product. All right. Hope to see you in the next video. Let me know what type of videos, what kind of topic, any questions that you have that you want me to cover. I know it's a lot of information, different platform here on in this video, but if you need any clarification, let me know in comments below so I can hopefully answer in the next video. Thank you.